In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Twitter, X, to n8n and automatically generate tweets using AI. By the end, you'll have a fully automated workflow that creates a title about an automation challenge, turns it into a clear, solution-focused tweet, stores the content in Google Sheets, and publishes the tweet to Twitter without you lifting a finger. We'll begin with a schedule trigger. This node is what makes everything run on its own. It's configured to fire at 10 p.m. every day, so your content goes out consistently. Make sure the time zone in your n8n instance matches your intended schedule so you don't get surprised by early or late posts. You can also run the workflow manually to test before letting the schedule take over. Next is Message a Model, which asks an AI model to generate a topic. The prompt is simple and targeted. Create a 50-character title about a specific automation or n8n problem. Keeping it to roughly 50 characters ensures the title is short, scannable, and perfect as the guiding idea for the rest of the workflow. If the title feels too broad, refine your prompt to focus on a common pain point or scenario. Then we pass that title to a second AI step, Message a Model 1, to write the tweet itself. Here, the model is instructed to explain the topic clearly, use simple language, focus on solutions, and include helpful hashtags. This gives you a tweet that's educational and ready to post as is. If you want a specific tone, like friendly or technical, you can fine-tune the prompt, but the core goal is clarity and value. After that, we generate a visual with the Generate an Image node. The prompt asks for a Japanese anime-style image based on the same topic, giving you an eye-catching asset for social media. Even if you don't attach it to every tweet, it's great for future posts or threads. For consistent results, keep your prompt descriptive and aligned with your brand style. To keep everything organized, the Append or Update row in Sheet 1 node logs the generated title and tweet description into Google Sheets. This becomes your searchable content library, useful for tracking performance, repurposing ideas, and avoiding duplicates. Make sure your sheet has clearly labeled columns so each run lands in the right place. Finally, the Create Tweet node publishes the tweet automatically using the AI-generated description. Once this node runs, your post goes live on Twitter. No manual action needed. Keep an eye on your n8n execution logs to verify success and iterate on prompts over time. With this setup, you'll build a reliable, daily content engine powered by AI.